What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money for free today. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, guys, please look out for the code word that will pop up in this video. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. That's going to help you to get a chance to win this free money once I hit 5,000 subscribers. So please look for the code word. And the only way you could do that is watch the full video. Now, this method is very easy. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you a couple of apps, guys. And these apps are going to get you some PayPal money free today, starting today. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go to the App Store and show you these apps. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is Earn Money for Free with Gimme. I think it's Givey, yes. So let's go ahead and look at some screenshots right quick. So right here it says exchange your coins for real money anytime you want. So you're going to be exchanging coins for real money with this app. So you're going to earn more coins and don't miss your chance to win free money. So you're going to compete and win versus other players to earn more. So you're going to earn some real money when you play this little tic-tac-toe game right here when you playing against other people. That's pretty fun because I always like these tic-tac-toe games. And you're going to join to have a chance at winning real money. So as you can see here, these people right here, they just show an example in the app. They're winning some real money, guys. They're winning some real money on this app. Let's see what else they got on here. So it says, prove everyone you are the best and win the biggest prizes. So as you can see right here, they have all different type of prizes you can win. And lastly, play games, win coins, convert to real money. Simple as that. So you're going to be doing a lot of fun things on here to make some money. Now, let's scroll down here and just look where it says how to earn with Givey. So play our games and invite your friends, earn coins every day by playing as much as possible. Convert your coins to real money in your preferred currency, then cash out. So it's simple as that, guys. So let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.2. That means this is a good app if it's over 4.0. And let's read one of the reviews. I'm just going to read one because I want to get to the next app. So Julie says, legit app, but can you please add more games? Fix your bugs, because sometimes it tells check internet connection, but our internet is stable. Thank you. So they like the app. They want more games, and they say they got a few bugs on here, and that's understandable. All apps going to have bugs from time to time, but overall, this person is satisfied with this app, and they're making some money on it. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you're interested, go ahead and go to Earn Money for Free with Givey and the Google Play Store. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app, and the name of this one is Make Money Free Cash Rewards. So let's scroll down here and look at some screenshots. So you're going to earn real cash, and it's going to be easy money. As you can see here, it's going to be like some offer walls. So like it says here, you probably can't see it, it's real small, but they have like Survey Wall, Nelson Mobile, Winter Casino. So you're going to be playing games on here and everything. And so the next slide here says earn, and it shows available. So to be rewarded, make sure that you are a new user and that you are not using VPN. So you can't use VPN, guys. And it shows right here how much you're going to be earning. And these are like points. Let's go to the next one. You got to have PayPal account. So how many minutes a day are you using your phone? 30. So these are just some questions they're going to be asking. And you just answer them and go to the next. And rewards. So PayPal payout. So they're going to be paying through PayPal cash right here. So when you accumulate enough points, you're going to get 100, or you can get 50, or you can get 20, or you can get 10. And to receive your payout, of course, you got to have PayPal, and it's going to take about 3 days. Let's see if they have another slide on here. Okay, right here just shows how your balance looks. So when you download it, this is how it's going to look once you accumulate enough points to cash out through PayPal. And let's see, I already seen that. Let's go to the next one. So this is just another balance, just showing you where they have more offers that you can do, or you can just request the payout. Shows my payouts and completed offers. And we already seen that. That's the earn. Let's see what else they have on here. Well, basically, we already seen that. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more right quick. So it says here, it is the best of all rewards apps. This is how it works. So try free apps and complete tasks to get credit rewards. With the daily check-in rewards, you get free money every day. Wow, you're going to get free money every day, guys. So invite friends to make money with our easy referral program. So they're going to have a referral program so you can invite some friends and make some money that way. And cash out your earnings. Also, real money through PayPal and enjoy your free cash. Wow, this is sound exciting, guys. You definitely need to check this app out. And check this out. Look at the rating. 4.7 out of 5. This is almost a perfect app, guys. This is almost a perfect app. Now, let's look at one of the reviews down here. Look at this. This person right? Oh, let's just look at Just. They did have, they said, terrible for the long run. I have emailed them 4 different times to the email address. So this person, they say, I gave 6 games that have not paid out. So they haven't got paid out, but hey, look at this. They answer the person. They say, we are happy to help you. Please send your email. In the meanwhile, it will be great if you could adjust your rating and review the Google Play Store. So this person actually responded to her issue with this app. Now let's look at one more review. So this person right here, Michael, says some apps are hit or miss, but I have nothing but good things to say. So this person have good things to say about this. And look at this. I cashed out twice, one for $10. So guys, this is proof right here that you can cash out $10. You're going to get that $10 real quick with this app. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and make some money, come to this app, make money, free cash rewards on the Google Play Store. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about both of these apps. And make sure you type that code word down in the comments below. And please share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can become their own boss by making this money online. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Thank you, Grind family. You're the best. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Keep supporting me, and I'm going to keep dropping this content so you guys can learn how to make money online and become financially free. And help me get to 5,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money. My hand is itching. I'm ready to give away free money to 3 people this time. Okay, guys. One more thing. I might give out some shout outs. So please leave a creative comment in the comments below. And for you new people out there that's probably first time checking out my video, I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. Go check out that podcast show. I talk about how to grow your business. I talk about how to increase your personal finance. I talk about personal development. And in the near future, I'm going to start interviewing people, successful people on that podcast. So go check out the podcast. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. And I have a channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. Go check that out. The link to the video will pop up in this video. Go there, subscribe, and help me get 1,000 subscribers there. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. One more thing before I get out of here. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.